Today we are going to discuss activist to passive voice according to interrogative model, yes or no type questions. See here, first of all, simple present tense. One example is written here. Do you ask a book? Do you ask a book? See, first of all, we should identify ATK formula. That means A for analysis, T for tense, K for kinds of sentences, A for apply. What is analysis? See like this. Helping verb subject V1 object. See, do or does subject V1 object. Whenever you find in the question do or does, it refers to simple present tense. Now active structure is am or object V3 by plus subject. See, first step, object should be written straight to the subject. A book. Now suitable helping verb is. A book refers to it. It takes is. See, is a book asked by you, saying as you only. No need to say. You should write as usual. Answer is a book asked by you. Second one, does she eat an apple? Does she eat an apple? First of all, you should write object straight to the subject. An apple. It is similar and thing, so that we should write suitable helping verb is. Apple refers to it. It takes is. Answer, is an apple eaten by her. Question mark compulsory. See, third one, does he play games? Does he play games? See, object should be written straight to the subject. Now answer is, first you should write games. Games are plural. Games refers to plural. So helping verb is are. Are games. Play third form is played. Played by. Is changed as him. Is changed as him. Question mark. These are the answers to questions according to simple present tense, interrogative type, yes or no type model. Now simple past tense, active voice to passive voice according to interrogative model, yes or no type questions. See, simple past tense, example 1, did you meet me? Did you meet me? According to this code, analysis to find tense, to find kinds of sentences, A for apply. Analysis here, helping verb subject main verb. Helping verb did, you subject, meet V1, me object. Here did plus subject V1 object. Now second one is to find tense. Whenever you find in the beginning did plus subject V1 object, it refers to simple past tense. And to find kinds of sentence, what kind of sentence is there? Start with helping verb, ends with question mark. That refers to interrogative model. According to kinds of sentence, interrogative model. And apply. Apply means first of all write either was or were which is suitable to the subject, and V3 by plus object. See, me changed as I, or we should write object should be written to the subject, strictly to the subject. Me changed as I suitable helping verb. Was I, me to third format, preposition is by, you as usual write you only question mark. Second one, as should be written strictly to the subject. C suitable helping verb is was. Now answer is was C. Help third form is helped. Preposition is by, he changes as him. Next third one. They changed as, them changed as they. They suitable helping verb is were. Now answer is were they called. Called by you. These are the answers to questions. Whenever you find DT plus subject P1 object, that refers to simple past tense, interrogative model, yes or no type questions. In the answer, we should start with helping verb, not with subject. Either was or were which is suitable, object V3 by plus subject. Now simple future tense according to interrogative model, yes or no type questions. See, first of all, example 1, will he give a book? We should follow ATK formula. Analysis, tense, kinds of sentence apply. Analysis means, see here, helping verb, subject, main verb, object. T refers to tense. T refers to tense. Will, subject, V1, object. Either will or shall, V1, before V1 subject and object. See, either shall or will, subject, V1 plus object. It refers to simple future tense. Now, passive structure. First of all, write either shall or will, then object. Second helping verb should be written before the main verb or after the subject. Preposition is by and subject. Now look at the answer. Object should be written to the subject, strictly to the subject. A book. Suitable helping verb is, it refers to will. Will a book be given by, he changes as him, question mark. He changes as him, question mark. Second one is, you should be written strictly to the subject. You takes will. You takes will. We should follow after the object what is there, be. Will you be? Meet third form is met by I changes as me, question mark. And last one, analysis subject V1 object. Object should be written to the subjects. Strike you to the subject. What is their book? A book will, second helping verb after the object or before the main verb, be asked by you. This is the answer. See again, whenever you find in the question Sallar will, subject V1 object, then answer should be written as either Sallar will, which is suitable to the these pronouns or nouns, object B plus V3, preposition is by, and subject. Thank you.